Your face is okay. Thank you. I'll take that as a compliment. I like the clothes that you're wearing. What? These clothes? Yes, these clothes. Oh, okay. Thanks. You have a moderate amount of body hair. That's a strange thing to say. Shut up. It's a compliment. Oh, my apologies. You have quite a square head. Oh, nice observation. I appreciate that. You're welcome, square head. I like your veins. You do? Yes, I do. The way you're looking at me does not make me feel that nauseous. Oh, good. That is always a positive thing to hear, I guess. You have long, gangly arms. You're right. Your crying is very manly.
Get out of here! Get out!
Your nose is big. Oh, I appreciate your kind words about my big nose. Oh, I wasn't trying to be nice. Your stench is only mildly repulsive. Oh, that's good, because I had a shower earlier in the month, so that could explain it. I can tolerate your presence. Oh, he's gone. Your laughter only offends my eyes and my ears. The sound of your voice only gives me a small migraine, but I have not even said anything. Stop talking, please. You're starting to give me a large migraine now. Can I kiss you? Get away from me! Ew!